Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today what we're going to be looking at is how we can easily repeat formatting functions just by using the F4 key. So what this does for us is if we want to use this and say we kind of pick this cell up here and then we decide that we want to make these cells green. What that will do now is that I'll remember it within Excel, and if we then start selecting other cells, rather than then having to click up to here and click in the colour, what we can do is we can click onto the cell and just simply press F4. And we can see that that will repeat the process for us. You can select multiple cells and again it will complete that function, and then we can go across, and like so you can just keep repeating that as many times as you want to do. When using this F4 key, then it works in a variety of ways. So we have the ability to change the font colours, we have the ability to use it as underscores, we have the ability to use italics, and we have the ability to use bold. We can also change the fonts, and we can also change the size of text. So say we were to change the 4 here, and we can change them to say the Americano, like so. Then if we select the next 4 down, and again press the F4 button, we can see that that automatically changes that there for us. In the same way then, if we wanted all the countries to be highlighted and we wanted to make them bold, we can do that by simply selecting bold, like so. And then say we want certain ones to be bold from then, so if we wanted the UK, we can see that just by selecting them and then pressing the F4 button will make them go into bold as well. Another way that we can use this function is if we want to insert rows, so that we can click onto the side here and then right click. If we click insert, we can see that there we've manually inserted a row, but if we click on again and we click F4, we can see that this will now work for us and we can quickly insert rows. So what we can also do with this is select multiple rows. So if we select 2 rows, click, and then insert again, and then again if we kind of highlight the 2 there, press the F4 key, we can see that it inserts 2 rows at a time for us. So hopefully that saves you a little bit of time there. Thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully see you again soon.